This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Frontier. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, a limited slip differential, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, a spray-on bed liner, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.